How to download Instagram Reels on your gallery. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few methods to download Instagram Reels to your phone's gallery. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram. Now, when you have opened your Instagram, then you just want to head over to your Reel section. So on the bottom, you will find the Reel icon right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you have done that, in most of the Reels nowadays, you will find a download button. So you can just simply download from there. To do that, you just have to press on the share icon right here. Scroll to the side. As you can see, this does not have the download button, but if I scroll down and find another reel, here you should see a download button where the owner of the reel has enabled the downloads. So as you guys can see here on this reel, I have this download button available, but what this does is it will download the reel with the tag of the owner, so this account will be shown on the reel. But if you don't want that and you want the complete reel, then what you can do is screen record the reel and save it on your gallery. As you guys can see here, this reel has been downloaded to my phone's gallery with the user's username right on the side as the tag. So that's how you'd easily download the Instagram reel on your gallery. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.